How to flip camera on Facebook Messenger video call. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can flip a camera on Facebook Messenger's video call. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Messenger app and head to the person's DM to whomever you want to call. Then all you have to do is tap on the video call. After the person picks up your call, what you'll need to do to flip your camera is tap on the screen once and you will see the camera flip button right besides the call end button. Then what you'll need to do is tap on it once to change your camera. As you can see, I've just flipped my camera and tap on it again to flip it back. Now, currently this is my front camera. If I tap on the flip camera button, it will change it to my rear camera. So tap on it again to change it back to your front camera. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. That is how you can flip your camera in your Facebook Messenger's video call. And that's all for today. Thanks.